What if I told you that I made this fully editable Google slide presentation using just Claude? Let me show you how. Ploxs is a tool that turns your notes, documents, or even just your rough ideas into fully designed, editable Google slide presentations, and it can stick to your brand guidelines. Normally, we'd use this on our website or our Chrome extension, but today I'm going to show you how you can use this with Claude, something that most people are excited about. So let's look into that. Before you do anything, you'll first need to make an account with Ploxs. You can do that from our website using your Google account. You'll also need to connect Ploxs with your Google Drive, since that's where all your slides will live. It's fairly simple and straightforward. Now once you've done that, we need to connect to Claude, so come to MCP over here. You've already connected to your Google Drive. Select Claude, and over here you'll see the entire step to follow to get this done, but I'll just show you. So first you need to copy this link from here. Go to Claude, click on Customize, go to Plugins. Now add Marketplace. Add from repository, paste the link over there, click Enter, and sync. Now Ploxs presentations would show up here as a plugin. Click on the plus icon, then the gear icon. Go into connectors and click connect. This will take you to Ploxs website again. Now you'll have 200 credits to start off with, so you'll have enough credits to play around and figure out how this works. Click on allow access. Great, now you're connected to Claude. Now I have a sample prompt here just for me to show you how this works. I'm asking Claude to basically create a performance report for a company called Bloom & Co. And I'm also going to provide it with some documents that has metric exports from Google, Meta, and TikTok. And I'm going to ask it to create a presentation using data from this and also stick to their brand guidelines, which I'm going to give it as a PNG image. Now, key thing to keep note of is when you're prompting, initially you should let it know which tool to use. So just mention using Ploxs. Now, when it's your first time using Ploxs with Claude, you'll have to give it some permissions. You can just click always allow, and from the next time onwards, you can just tell Claude what to do, and then Ploxs will take care of it. Now our project's almost done, and yeah, now we can click on open link over here, and there you have it, a fully editable professional Google Slides presentation with your brand guidelines and all the data that you gave it, beautifully represented in charts and other graphics. And if you don't like something over here, you can always go in there and make the edits yourself. Your work is 90% done. And you can always go back to Claude as well and specify which slide you want to make changes to and tell Claude, and Claude will communicate with Ploxs and get that done for you. You can also use our Chrome extension if you have it and make edits right there from the Google Slide window. Yeah, and that's Ploxs. Hope you like it.